So 2 cappuccino with no sugar.
Yes, please. It's only
Yeah, regular milk. Yeah, I don't have another milk. So it's faster. And another one.
You have a lot of customers?
Not much this day because I don't know, maybe
Today
not.
the weather
Yeah,
not so
the weather is not really good.
You here every day?
Yeah, every day here.
Nice. How long you do this already?
About 7 months, I think.
Oh, okay.
Start from 2025.
Is this your only job or you have another job too?
No, it's only here.
So it's good money then.
Yeah, it's enough.
Perfect.
I still live with my family though, so
Oh, okay.
it's not. I don't spend that much money.
How old are you?
I'm 22. Here, 1 cappuccino. You wanna add chocolate?
Oh yes, a little bit. Coffee.
Okay, sama. Another one.
Cappuccino.
Okay, also chocolate.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.